how we support each other, how we help each other is so important in this movement, and not just in movement, but to just have these basic values of empathy. Hi, I'm Jhalak, and I work in climate space. I'm a designer, I'm an illustrator, I am also somebody who likes to write, and I'm passionate about issues like gender, and I really like to work with the intersectionality of gender, climate space, design, and how it can just all come together and we can tell a story.
Hi, Jhalak. What's your climate story? What do you wish to have achieved 5 years from now?
My climate story, I don't remember a very specific point in my life that I entered into it, but I think it's just always been a part of me in very, very small things like not letting the tap run, or trying to not waste water, trying to not use too much plastic. And then it just, uh, we start. I mean, I understood why we shouldn't do it. I read more about it. I met a lot of people who are more climate conscious, and I realized that this is something that I also want to be part of it, because this is where we live, and this is impacting us so much, and our whatever we do is impacting the earth so much. And I just wanted to contribute in whatever way I can.
So, Jhalak, what is the most significant moment in your journey?
There have been various significant movements, I would say, but one of them is being here with this community, because it sort of made me realize that um, I'm not alone, and we are not alone, and we are all going through similar things. It's just that because this world has gone so virtual and we are so disconnected, and even though we work together, it's just coming together, meeting people physically, talking about our fears, our insecurities, and our hopes, has been extremely, extremely significant. It's been just very empowering and very hopeful.
What does community mean to you?
Community is something so important that we neglect at so many levels, and how we are moving towards a hyper individualized state, which even like makes me even more aware about the importance of the community, because how we support each other, how we help each other is so important in this movement, and not just in movement, but to just have these basic values of empathy. And so there are two ways, like once you also realize how much you need the community for everything that you do. You rely so much on your community to get those resources that, just everyday resources. And what is it that you can give back?
Tell us what made you laugh.
Well, it's this most stupid thing, but we were partnered up for this activity, and me and my partner, we were just looking at each other. We were supposed to draw each other, and then my partner told me that, "Oh, I see you wearing specs," and I replied, "Oh, I do you see it because you're also wearing specs?" And then we just laughed for like 5 minutes, and everybody was staring at
What is something that made you want to cry?
this feeling of common helplessness, despite us trying to fight, trying to um, keep up our hopes, but it's just things keep happening around us, and it's just so difficult to not feel, but we feel so much. So it was just overwhelming. It was also sad because I see other people being sad and not being able to help. But it was the other way also. Like I was sort of, I would cry because it was even more wonderful to see that, oh, I can cry with a community. So
That's beautiful. What is it that gives you hope for the future?
I think it's just this community and the people who are willing to do anything and everything for this climate space, for this environment. And I see so many people who do so much, and it feels so good that uh, in this world where so many bad things are happening, there are also good things that are happening. So just that.
What's one takeaway from this community gathering?
again, I think as I said, it made me realize its importance even more, and how we actually need to be even more mindful about our activities, and how our action, like one person's action, actually does impact uh, a lot of people, or our community as a whole. So just trying to feel connected to one another, and also accepting that, oh, if I need support, people are there, and just rely on them for that support.